CLAAS Service Office Pro is a simple, seamless and intuitive way to improve your workshop processes. It supports the service process from job creation to completion in Service Office Pro and invoicing in Gold. This enables dealers to easily plan, execute and document a service job. There are a wide range of benefits, including sending work orders seamlessly from Gold to CLAAS Service Office Pro, tracking engineer time and attendance, easily managing part consumption, and reducing the time and effort required to support workshop processes. So how does it work? The first step is job creation, where you can create the job in Gold and the data is transferred directly to Service Office Pro. Second is job scheduling, which takes place in Service Office Pro. Third is parts usage, where you can allocate parts in Gold, Service Office Pro, or the Service Office Pro mobile app. Fourth is job processing. Technicians carry out the job on the mobile app and the job is marked complete in Service Office Pro. Lastly is invoicing. Workshop jobs are synced back to Gold and you can invoice and take payment as normal. It's that simple. Contact our sales team today for more information and to get integrated.